Three end time signs inside the church. Number three is the most dangerous. Most Christians are watching what is attacking the church from the outside. But the greatest danger is already taking root inside the church. Here are three end time signs unfolding among believers right now. And number three may make you question whether every voice inside the church is leading people toward truth. Sign 1. The Great Exhaustion. Daniel chapter 7 verse 25 says, "The enemy will wear out the saints of the Most High, not kill them, wear them out." Look at Christians today. People aren't losing their faith over grand theological debates. They're losing it because they're simply too exhausted to pray. The 24/7 digital noise was engineered to keep your spirit in a state of chronic fatigue, because a tired believer stops fighting without ever deciding to quit. Sign 2. The Gospel of Self. 2 Timothy 3 lists the signs of the last days. The very first one is, "For men shall be lovers of their own selves." We used to call that pride. Now we market it as living my truth and protecting my peace. When a culture quietly swap, "Thy will be done" for "my feelings be validated," it's living inside 2 Timothy 3 without knowing it. Sign 3. Scoffers inside the house. 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 3 to 4 says, "Knowing this first, that there shall come in the last days scoffers, walking after their own lust, and saying, Where is the promise of his coming?" We always pictured them as atheists outside the church walls, but look around. Some of the loudest mockery of holiness, repentance, judgment, and Christ's return is now coming from inside the church itself. From voices that were supposed to be guarding those very things. Peter didn't warn about the scoffers outside. He warned they'd rise up from within. Jesus didn't give us prophecy so we'd go buy survival bunkers. He gave it to us to keep us awake. From Luke chapter 21 verse 36, "Watch you therefore, and pray always, that you may be accounted worthy to escape all these things that shall come to pass, and to stand before the Son of Man." We don't know the day or the hour, but we know the season, and the season is now. So what are you going to do? If you want to know how to welcome the Lord's return, message me on WhatsApp. Using the number on the screen, send Bible study. Let's grow together.